With the MRCOOL DIY Multi-Zone, you can heat and cool up to 4 spaces in your home or workplace, all with one condenser. And as the name suggests, you can do it yourself. First, you'll need to know what size unit you need for each room you plan to heat and cool. The DIY Multi-Zone can have 9,000 BTU air handlers all the way up to 24,000 BTUs. You will need to make sure you are pairing the correct condenser with the number of air handlers and sizes, as there are multiple configurations depending on your needs. With each air handler, you'll find a wall template, which helps you line up the mounting plate for the air handler. The mounting plate is connected to the back of the air handler. Just remove the screw and pull it off. Once removed, use the template, a level, and provided screws to place the wall mount. You will need a 3.5-inch hole saw for the communication wire and line set for each air handler. Now feed the communication wire through the holes you've drilled, along with the line set connected to the air handler. Then mount the air handlers. Next, connect the provided insulated line sets together. Screw the fittings together by hand, then use 2 fixed wrenches to make sure the line set is secure. Extra line sets are available for purchase if the default line set length is not long enough for your setup. With additional line sets, you get a coupler kit for connecting the line sets together. Connect these the same way you connected the line set near the air handler. Once all the air handlers are mounted and connected, it's time to connect the line set to the outdoor condenser. For those using the larger 24,000 BTU air handler, you'll have to replace the connected couplings on the condenser to adequately connect the line set to port A. As before, connect the line set connections with your hand, then use 2 fixed wrenches to secure them tightly. Once that's finished with each of your air handlers, use an Allen wrench to open the valves. Replace the valve covers. Be sure to spray soapy water on all the line set connections to check for leaks. If you're not familiar with wiring this type of unit, it may be important to consult an electrician. You can also add additional accessories such as the MRCOOL Mini Stat, or you can connect the Multi-Zone DIY to work with your Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for each of the rooms you're heating and cooling. The MRCOOL DIY Multi-Zone is the perfect way to heat and cool multiple rooms with ease and efficiency.